everyone, how are you guys doing today? Today's video is going to be a collaboration with Sister Fantastic or Laurie Latimer here on YouTube. Laurie has been one of my really long time YouTube friends, and today we are going to create one look each for you guys using the bhCosmetics Weekend Festival palette. Laurie and I look quite different. She's very white, I'm very brown, but somehow we both tend to gravitate towards same palettes, and we both have the same one, and it's a very colorful palette. So we thought, why not create one look each and kind of see how this palette works differently for different skin tones. So I have created this look for you guys, and Laurie has created a different one. If you want to find out how she created her look, her video is linked in the description box below. If you want to know how I created my look, then just keep on watching. So here you can see, based on my swatches, the colors are very beautiful and they work very nicely. Okay, I'm gonna start with Escape in my crease first. I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm gonna stay in my crease with it. One of the major drawbacks of this palette, according to me, is that it does not have a setting shade for any skin tone. And if you're of a skin color where you can use maybe Hipster as a setting shade, then you don't have a crease shade. I don't think there is a very good kind of outer corner shade for even my skin tone in this palette. I'm sorry, but I need to reach into another palette right now. I need something light. Okay, I have taken my Tortoise Pro palette and taken this shade right here called Classic, and I have gone just under my brow bone and kind of set that area and blended out the crease shade, the Escape shade that I just added there. And then I have taken Innocent and just added it all over my lid, so that there is a slight kind of slidey base for the other shadows. There is a light shade in this palette as well called Candy, but that one has slight shimmer to it, so it doesn't really work out, it doesn't really glide as smoothly over my lids as, usually matte shadows would. I'm gonna take Escape again on a fluffy brush, and we're gonna continue building it. And then I'm kind of dragging it slightly on my outer corner as well, to kind of complete an inverted 7 and have like a seamless look. So lately I have developed this habit of like taking the shadow all the way here by watching other YouTubers, but I have noticed that I like my looks better when I do the crease shades only like kind of 3/4 of the way and leave my inner corner alone. And then, I can always add a little bit of color here, but when there's too much color there, I don't like it. I'm gonna take Escape and go in my outermost corner to kind of build up my 7. And this time I'm staying kind of low, just pretty much over the lid, doing the same kind of action, going only halfway through this time, and then just over my lid. Going back and Escape, building it just a little bit more here. I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. So I'm gonna take Boho, it's like this purpley golden shade, and I'm gonna go and start doing my very inner corner. Like I'm taking a very like small, this is I think a liner brush actually, and it's by bhCosmetics. I don't know if this is what cut crease is, but I'm going like very precisely. I'm not really blending it up in the crease, and I'm keeping the shimmery shadow only over my lids. I'm gonna take a slightly wider flat brush, and I'm gonna pick up Carnival. Now the Carnival is this like gray shade. Never used it before. It's super shiny, and it actually has a silver tone to it, unlike the rose goldy shadow that we used before, and that has a gold tone to it. This shadow is very nice, I must say. And I'm creating like this angle here over my lids. Going back in Hipster, and I'm gonna blend it with Carnival. Now Carnival seriously has so much shine that I'm not able to mask it with Hipster. Taking Carnival, building it just in the center. I'm gonna take the small brush again, pick up boho again, and I want to bring it further up. Yes, I like that. I think that's all I want to do for my upper lid. So I'm going to use the Essence Forbidden Lash. No, hold on. Should I do a liner? I feel like I should do a liner at the risk of ruining everything, but I should do it. I'm going to use a liner by bhCosmetics. This one apparently has a brush tip. I know it looks no different, but has a brush tip, and that's supposed to make applying the liner easier. We'll see. It might be pointing a little weird way, but that's fine. I've actually done it. I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna add just a tad bit of concealer. There you go. I have this champagne color No Tug waterproof gel eyeliner. I'm gonna go in my inner corner with it because it's very, very shiny. I might top off the inner corner with another shadow, but I just wanted a shiny base. So I'm gonna take Trixie, this like really light golden toned color, and apply on the inner corner just on top of the liner we just added. So I'm hoping that it gets like this extra shiny because now it has this sort of already shiny base. And then I'm gonna take it inwards. I'm gonna take boho, and then I'm going kind of mimicking what I have going on my upper lid, which is I'm going 1/4 of the way. Taking Carnival and applying very, very close to the lash line, or on the lash line actually, you can say. Because of the size and the shape of my eyes, if I go too low, it kind of looks like my eyes are drooping. So can't do that. Take Hipster. Finally, I'm gonna take this flat brush by Morphe M438, take Escape on it, and I'm gonna go underneath all the craziness that I just did to kind of create a shadow, keeping it more on the outer side. Then as I come inwards, I'm just fading it. I'm gonna apply the Forbidden Lash mascara, and I'll be right back. Right now I have the urge to take Hippie and apply it, slightly, above my crease towards the inner side. Wanted to show you guys a look before, I potentially ruin it. So this is where we're at. Let's take Hippie. I feel like it'll create kind of a good transition and not like an abrupt ending to the crease color. So here is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked the look. Do let me know what you guys think. I'm so happy I was able to create a liner without messing up everything today. Though it's still kind of like wonky on one side, but I'm happy with it. I still feel that this palette is seriously missing a setting shade and a dark kind of outer corner shade for me, at least for my skin tone. I'm very sure the darkest shade in this palette, Hipster, will work very, very beautifully on Laurie's skin tone. I cannot wait to find out again what she has done. As soon as I'm done posting this video, I'm gonna head over to her channel and check it out. Her video is linked in the description box below. Alright, thank you again for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so YouTube will inform you of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
All right.